lo muntu ke oqhamuka khona lapha okanye ovela kulesi sithombe okuthiwa ke umangalela wesithathu ukuthi ube egxokeni ngwazile ukuphendula lo mbuzo yebo.
Thank you. Now if you can remind the court, me specifically, what did you say, what hairstyle was he wearing?
Dreadlocks was in a ponytail.
Ube nama dreadlocks awabambe njengasemuva njenge ponytail.
Why did you refer to that hairstyle as dreadlocks?
Because I identify it as dreadlocks.
Ingoba mina ngiwabone ngibone leso style kuyi dreadlocks.
You naturally were expecting me to ask you if you are a hairstylist or if you've got a salon. I won't ask you those questions.
Thank you, my lord.
Thank you.
Ngiyabonga ukuthi ungazongibuza leyo mbuzo ke.
Because you're not a hairstylist and you probably don't own a salon, not so?
Seems to be we're going to be personal now, my lord.
Yeah. Please treat the witness with respect, Mr. Mnisi, please.
As it is a court matter. Thank you, sir. I've arranged that certain photos that were made available to us by the state be shown. Now, I want you to have a look at them. Do you see that photo there?
That's correct, my lord. I can't see the way we're going to move now because I'm a cell phone data analyst, not a picture analyst or a facial analyst.
Ngiyasibona lesi sithombe angazi ke ukuthi manje soqhubeka kanjani ngoba mina ke angisiyena ke umuntu ohlaziya izithombe kangako mina ngihlaziya ke imininingwane emayelana ke nolwazi olukhona mhlambe emahlelweni athize hayi ukuthi ngiloko ngibhekana nelokho njalo nezithombe.
Is that so? You know, it's very strange because I've just said you were requested in your evidence in chief to say what kind of a hairstyle that the person was depicted on the photos they had, and you went on to say the person was wearing dreadlocks, not so? A ponytail dreadlocks. You never said we are not a picture specialist. You never said you're not a hair specialist, but you said, in fact, you never said that you are only a data specialist, but you went on to give your comment. It is on the basis of exactly what you did that this process is now unfolding. Do you understand?
As a court, please, my lords. All the witness said, my lord, was that he was requested by the investigating officer to identify was sent certain photos that would depict a person as having dreadlocks, as well as the certain type of clothing. That's all that he testified to, my lord. And I think my learned colleague is now perhaps putting too fine a point on his evidence.
Yeah, but these photos in the album, they were discovered. In respect of what?
Yes.
In respect of what? In respect of what was the discovery made? In pursuance of what?
Well, just to show the hairstyle of the accused and the clothes that the accused had immediately before the incident.
I see.
Yes.
Okay, I'll allow that question.
As the court pleases.
As it is the court, my lord. Be it okay. Thank you. The question stands.
Repeat the question to me, please. Because it seems to me, my lord, and I don't want to participate in ID parade in court now. It seems it's going the direction that you're going to show me 20 photos, so then I must say it's you or it's not you. And I'm not going to participate in that now.
Yeah, I hear you.
Yabona into engathi manje ngikhathazeka ngayo ukuthi uzongithatha ke engathi uzongisa kwi-combat parade. Angithandi ukuthi mhlambe ngoba ngizophendula nje uzoloku ebuza mhlambe lethe ithombe nje eziningi athi lona uyamazi cha lokho anguthokozeli.
Are you done explaining, sir?
I'm done, my lord.
Uthi yebo ngiqedile ukuchaza.
May you please answer the question?
I'm not going to answer the question like I already put it to the court. I'm not going to be here to take part of ID parade.
Angeke ngikwazi ukuphendula umbuzo mina. Futhi ngeke ngibe ingxenye ye-combat parade. Ngoba sengiyibekile la enkantolo.
Should I regard that as your final answer to the question that the court has ruled that it is admissible?
That's correct, my lord.
Yebo. Qedile.
Let's go to another picture. Thank you. And do you see that picture again? These are all the pictures that were discovered by us, to us by the state. Do you see that photo there?
My lord, it seems to me there's a hearing problem in this court. I did mention I'm not going to take part of any ID parade here, and I'm going to stand with my point.
Manje kwangathi ke khona ongezwa kahle la. Mina ngithe angingeni le ID parade. Ngihlala khona lapha.
Yes, Mr. Mnisi.
Yes, it is the court, my lord. Do you see that photo there?
Now, Mr. Mnisi, come on. You've heard the witnesses. He says he's not going to answer any question regarding what he terms to be a photo identity parade. Even if you show him, if he shows you about 100 photos to identify, are you going to stick with the answer you've given?
I'm going to stick with my answer.
You're not going to change that answer?
No, definitely not, my lord.
Let's make progress.
Yes, it is the court, my lord. Unfortunately, my lord, it is my considered view that I should not be dictated to by a witness who decides to say, not willing to answer that question. If my line and my trajectory of my questions is following a certain line, I'll continue with it up until such time that I am satisfied in view of the preparation that I had in relation to that cross-examination. You can keep on saying, I won't answer those questions, I won't answer those questions, I won't answer those questions. It's fine, but that will not deter me to stop from asking him the questions, no matter how rhetoric they sound, my lord.
If I can press be of assistance to counsel, the investigating officer will come and testify, and he will explain as to why he requested this witness, Colonel Stein, to compile this photo album, and these questions can then be put to him. All that this witness can say is that he just complied with the request of the investigating officer. As to what the purpose thereof was, can only be explained by the investigating officer.
Yeah, having heard that, is there an affidavit made by Colonel Stein regarding these photos?
No, the affidavit that has made has already been handed up, my lord.
Yeah, in the affidavit, does he allude to the photos?
No, not these photos, my lord.
No, the only photos that he referred to are the ones that are contained in his affidavit that he referred to last week, my lord.
And the state's view is that the discovery was pertinently made in respect of those photos regarding the identity which had to be...
Yes, but my learned friend is now busy with the photo album of Sergeant Mabasa, and as we indicated, he will be coming to testify.
Yes, Sergeant Mambasa made an affidavit.
Yes.
Just read it into the record.
I've provided copies. It's quite a lengthy
How many pages is it?
affidavit, my lord.
Where he refers to
The-
pertinently the photos.
Yes. But, my lord, he can only say that he was requested by the investigating officer also to make a collage of certain photos, and as I've explained, it's only.
And who took the photos?
No, these photos were downloaded.
Who downloaded? Sorry, who downloaded
Yes.
them? It's Mambasa.
Yes, he downloaded the photos, and at the request of the investigating officer.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Mnisi.
As it is the court, my lord. I think there's one aspect of it all that is being missed by the state in his quest to object to the line of questioning that I have. The very same witness here, my lord, was requested by the court, probably my colleague has forgotten that, was requested by the court when the photos that are depicting accused number 3 were shown on the screen there. And the court actually requested him to identify
But the court
the
was
hairstyle that witness was wearing, my lord. It is therefore on those bases.
No, you're incorrect. Let me tell you
Yes.
the instruction the court gave. Just prime the collage of photos which were identified yesterday by the colonel. Just do it. It was specifically for those photos, not any other photo. Just